Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's check out the best way to link Plaid to Lendio. Now, the best way to do this is to use it as a secure connector between your bank accounts and of course your financial data. Plaid allows Lendio to access real-time banking information safely, eliminating the need for manual uploads or repeated verifications. This connection ensures balance, transactions, and cash flow data stays current and accurate. Linking Plaid also speeds up financial reviews and funding processes. With up-to-date bank data available, insights become more reliable and decisions can be made a lot faster. It reduces errors caused by outdated statements and of course provides a clearer picture of available funds at any given time. By using Plaid with Lendio, businesses gain convenience, security, and accuracy. Financial management becomes smoother, reporting is more dependable, and of course, owners can focus on running their businesses instead of managing bank connections. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.